Okay, that was very off topic, but the problems remain same for all of us. So today we are going to learn how to make a soldering holder, or we can say third and fourth soldering. So let's move on to the project. At first we have to take a plywood. Here I am taking a plywood whose size is 16 into 10 cm. After that we have to make 3 marks on the plywood. By using a drilling machine, make holes on the marked area. Then here's come the main material, that is these wires. You can easily get it from any electrical shop. I got it from a storeroom itself. So for this we have to use solid core wire. Don't use standard wire as shown in the video because it will not bear any weight. By using an iron rod, wind up the wire as I am doing in the video. By using an wire cutter, we have to remove the rubber coat. After that, we have to use small size screw and its washer. Then again we have to wind up the wire with the screw. Then take out the screw and press the wire to make a loop. Repeat the same steps for other two. Then fix the wires by using a screw as I am doing in the video. Then I realized a problem that the wires are wobbling too much due to its spring structure. So to fix it, what should we do now? If your answer was just to stretch the wires, then it is wrong. Let me show you why. By increasing its height, it will automatically loses its strength also. So when we will apply any load, it will simply bends down. So the right answer is simply cut it from the middle. So at last we have to take 3 crocodile pins. So the bigger one easily attached with the wire like this. Then here I am using a epoxy paste to fix other pins. So here's the project is completed. Now I will show you how easily we can do soldering by using this soldering holder. Now we are at the end of this video. If you are watching till now, please subscribe to this channel and give a like to this video. If anyone of your friend or family member want to make this project, then please share this video to them. It will help us a lot. And at last, I want to say that if anyone of you are making project by using any idea from our video, then please send it to our Facebook or Instagram page. I will definitely try to give shout out to you.
You will give me shout out, haha. Actually you need shout out, lol.